Well, hello, Steve.
Kevin, how are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing well, although the nights are now drawing in and the temperatures are dropping in Europe. And as the title of our latest webinar states, time and PTP wait for no one.
Kevin, you are absolutely correct. Yeah, for decades we've relied on reference signals from Blackburst tri-level to keep every camera, switcher, and router aligned absolutely perfectly. But as the industry moves from SDI towards IP, we need a way to synchronize our systems have changed, and we need to be able to marry those two systems. Today's facilities are no longer self-contained little islands. They're interconnected, they're distributed, and increasingly, let's face it, hybrid. SDI is not 100% going away. We're blending SDI and IP workflows side by side, interleaved. And at the heart of this new architecture sits PTP, Precision Time Protocol, which is defined by IEEE 1588 and SMPTE ST 2059 2, which brings sub-microsecond accuracy to our IP-based productions.
But, Steve, integrating a synchronous SDI world with an asynchronous IP one isn't simple. It demands a careful design, a multi-tiered reference system, one that ensures resilience, reliability, and seamless operation, whilst integrating with legacy control systems across every part of your broadcast chain.
It certainly does, Kevin. So, in this session, we'll explore how Leader and Arista networks are working together to deliver robust timing and monitoring solutions for these hybrid facilities. We need to be able to keep the SDI and the IP side in sync with each other and mindful of each other. So, there's a lot of real world insights, best practices, and guidance that we'll be talking about to help people on their IP migration journey.
And joining us for this live and exclusive discussion on designing and testing multi-tiered reference architectures for hybrid broadcast environments on Wednesday, November the 5th, 2025, are Ryan Morris and Gerard Phillips from Arista Networks. So, whether you're starting from a blank sheet or managing a complex live system, you'll come away with clear, actionable strategies for the next stage of your IP transition. It starts at 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 noon Eastern, 1700 GMT, and 1800 CET, and you can register by scanning the QR code on the screen now.
And like normal, if you can't watch it live for some reason, the recording will be made available afterwards on the Leader YouTube channels.
Exactly. And if you're not already subscribed, scan the QR code now, where you'll also find lots of videos on Leader and Fabric's products in action, helping engineers keep facilities running smoothly and content flowing.
Whenever we host these PTP seminars, there's always extremely popular and generate a lot of questions. So I'm really looking forward to this session.
Likewise, Steve. So until the 5th, we'll see you then.
Yes, Kevin, look forward to it.
All the best. Bye.
Bye.